Hello class, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our meeting yesterday at the Zoom class. Here I'm working super hard for you so we can have the best of the classes. I want you to remember we are going to do a review about the topics that we learned before the Zoom class. So we are learning about comparing. Remember that we can use comparative adjectives and also superlative adjectives. The difference is we use comparative when we are comparing one thing with another. Superlatives are used when we are comparing one thing with two or more. Comparative adjectives, as you can see, are made by er. So longer, taller, straighter, larger, etc. So when you have an adjective that has 3 or more syllables, we would say more expensive, not expensiver, and so on. So we can say expensive, it has 3 syllables. Dangerous, dangerous. Beautiful, beautiful. Difficult, difficult. Also confident, confident. Popular, popular. Okay, it has 3 syllables. So when we count 3 or more syllables, we will say more difficult, more beautiful. Okay, not difficulter, nor beautifuler. It doesn't exist. So the superlative adjectives are different. In this case, we add est. Longest, tallest, straightest, largest, biggest, hottest. So we have the adjectives that have 3 or more syllables. Expensive. We look at so much word. Expensive has expensive. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think, letters, but it has 3 syllables. Expensive, most expensive, most dangerous, most popular, most beautiful, most confident, most difficult. You need to pay attention also to the irregular ones, furthest, farther, etc. We are going to use them right now so we can do the activities from the student's book. We have page 22 from the student's book and it's called Animal Families. And the activity 12 is an audio that we are going to listen and also read. And it says, listen and read. What is the name of each animal's social group? We are going to play it, and remember that we have content words that they are up to you. If you want to know their meaning, you can find it on the internet. Use your dictionary. I bet you have a dictionary.
Book, page 22, activity 12. Listen and read. What is the name of each animal's social group? Animal families.
There are many different types of families, but the purpose of a family is similar: to care for each other. Humans aren't the only ones who live in families. Many other animals have their own family structures too.
Elephants.
Elephants live in herds or groups of 6 to 12 elephants. After the age of 14, most male elephants leave the herd to live on their own most of the time. One female is usually the leader of the herd, and the group often includes her children, her sisters' children, and even grandchildren. Elephants are able to feel emotions, and when an elephant dies, they cry just like humans do.
Wolves.
Some types of wolves live together in a large group called a pack. In the pack, there is an alpha, leader, male, and an alpha female. These 2 wolves are responsible for acting as the parents and having more babies for the group. Other wolves in the pack help the alpha male and female take turns caring for the young wolves.
Lions.
Lions live in social groups called prides. A pride usually has 5 or 6 adult females, 1 or 2 males, and their children. Lions travel together, look for food, and help take care of each other. Female lions are very important in the pride, and when the group kills an animal for food, the females eat first.
Chimpanzees.
Chimpanzees live in troops that have a very strong social structure. When a mother chimpanzee gets older, her children will often come back to the troop to take care of her. Chimps have friends in their troop. The friends play games together and pick insects and dirt out of their friends' fur.
Okay, so that's it. It was about animals. So I enjoyed this reading because I love animals, and my favorite ones are lions. Which of these do you prefer? Elephants, wolves, lions, or chimpanzees? So now we can go to activity 13, and the instruction says, look at the passage, correct the sentences. Okay, we have been doing some activities like this, and you are not doing them correctly. The instruction says, correct the sentences. It means that you are going to write again the sentences in the correct way. Number 1, a male elephant is usually the leader of the herd. Number 2, there is usually only one adult male in a wolf pack. 3, lions cry when they are sad. 4, chimpanzees never come back to take care of their mother. Think big activity. How do other types of animals take care of each other? List a few examples. You can find this information on the internet. It's about research. We have also games. This is a link that I left you on the assignment, like the activities that we did after and before, and etc. It's also from the British Council. And we are talking about comparatives and superlatives, so you can practice. We have examples, we have the rules. Be careful with the adjectives that are special, and some other rules. Games. Handman, start. It says, this animal is a pet. It is bigger than a cat, and it has 3 letters. I will say that I think it is a... It's a dog. Well done. Next. And yes, you are going to be going like this and like this, so you can finish. Then you have another game in here. Comparative and superlative adjectives word to word. Start. In this activity, you have a clock. I can see it, but you need to finish super fast. And you need to make a sentence. My phone is the... Time's out. Try again. Is the most expensive thing. Okay, a salad is healthier than a pizza. And that's it. Well done. And you're going to keep doing sentences with this, okay? You are comparing using comparative and superlative adjectives. And that's it. Please try to play this game. This is going to help you a lot, and you are going to have a good time playing these games. And that's it for today. That's it for the week. I'll see you the next week. Have a nice and beautiful weekend. Stay at home. Be safe. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. I'll see you the next week. Goodbye.